If you did not make a plan for your day today, you are not as effective as you can be with a plan. Now, sometimes it's really hard for us to sit down and make that plan. You probably made up the excuse you didn't have time to make the plan. Last night you didn't want to do the plan, and maybe the plan isn't that important for you to allot time to. But let me tell you this, without that plan in place, you are just going to continue to chase things, distractions are going to come in, and you are not going to be effective and get to where you want to go as fast as you can with a plan. Now, I normally rebel against plans. I like them, I believe in them, I believe in the context of having a plan, but sometimes I get into the space of, I'll just do it Monday morning. And then Monday morning rolls around and I'm like, oh, I got all these other things to do, and the urgencies of the week show up and all that kind of stuff, and the plan gets put to the side. I have come to learn that the number one reason why people are successful in life is they're following a structured plan. They become disciplined in certain things and in actions to move them forward. So create the plan for you for a daily basis for the week, whatever that looks like, to move things forward. There's certain key things in your life that you're trying to hit for goals, whether it be weight release goals, health goals, career goals, whether it's business related goals, revenue goals, creation of content goals. Whatever that is, take the time to do it. Create the plan, have it in front of you, create the schedule for it, and honor it and stick in it. I already rebelled against my plan this morning, but then I shifted my plan. Now I'll be working tonight to honor the rebellion that I had earlier, but everything on my list is gonna get done today. Everything on my list, because I committed to that. I said I would do it, and now my plan is called the Happy Plan to get me to where I wanna go. Last week, I had the privilege of being with Evan Carmichael, and he called me out on the thing that I really needed in order to scale where I want to go is creating the plan. Now, I'm in it for that. You should be in it for that too, for your life, because you are important. The things that you need to do are important. Get them done. Write it down, commit to it, and honor the process and the plan. You can do this. I believe in you. Get it done this week. Let's make it happen. Let's do this. Make your plan, and I'll see you on the other side of it.